Checking back in with Dan, talking about an unsettled week ahead. So what do we need to know here?
It's not going to be a rainy week, I would say, Holly, but
Yeah.
we'll have spotty thunderstorms, and at times some of these storms could become severe. So we've got a forewarned weather alert today for isolated severe weather, and that continues into tomorrow and Wednesday as well, especially Wednesday night. We've got our eyes on Wednesday night, and we'll show you why in just a moment. But spotty thunderstorms this afternoon, so before you venture out, take your umbrella with that isolated severe weather, maybe some small hail, perhaps some brief gusty winds with any of these storms, and more strong thunderstorms are in the forecast, as we talked about a moment ago, for the days to come. Couple of showers back to the west, not much doing there. We see more showers in southern Kentucky lifting toward the northeast. If you're watching from Tompkinsville around Burkesville, we've got some light rain showers around, no major deal. On the Cumberland Plateau, we're seeing more development here. If you're watching from Spencer near Van Buren County, these are lifting toward Crossville. You can see the movement, and so we'll track these for the next little while and possibly Crossville a downpour in the next hour or so. Here's that severe weather potential today. Again, it's a green shaded area, so we've got a marginal threat level 1 on a scale of 1 to 5, so not overly high. But it is possible later today that we do see some strong thunderstorms. Things look really nice outdoors right now down in Cool Springs. If you have some errands to do this afternoon, don't let the forecast change your plans at all. Just stay weather aware. Make sure you have the News 4 app on your smartphone and keep your eye to the sky. This is the view toward downtown Nashville from West Nashville. Temperatures are climbing where we're seeing more sunshine, mid to upper 80s back to the west, 87 currently in Camden, 83 in Nashville, 84 in Lafayette. With that humidity, though, it feels a lot more sticky, and the humidity story is not going to change really at all for the next probably 4 days. So dew points, which is a way to put a number on how sticky it feels outdoors, dew points now around 70, and we'll keep that right through Thursday afternoon, coming down a little bit as we get toward Friday as some drier air comes in. So we got clouds pushing toward the east, a little energy in East Tennessee, making for those thunderstorms. What we're watching for later today is some of this back toward New Orleans. So central Louisiana, there's a little more energy here that's going to lift to Mississippi tonight. You can already see on the leading edge, we've got some thunder showers developing in Mississippi, and that will give us a rain chance tonight and even early tomorrow. So this morning was dry, but tomorrow morning it looks like we'll see some spotty showers and thunderstorms here and there. And you can see that with Futurecast. Here's 1 o'clock this afternoon. Temperatures mainly in the middle 80s. Notice Nashville late today gets to about 88. Spotty showers and storms late this afternoon. A couple of those getting stronger this evening. If you have some evening plans, if you go into the Sounds game tonight, know that rain is possible. It's not a guarantee. It's going to be very isolated out there, but there could be some out there. 9 p.m. we see a good downpour over downtown Nashville. And then through the overnight, much of that goes away. And then first thing tomorrow morning is that energy down toward the Gulf Coast lifts in. Rain will be possible in some areas, some thunderstorms too, even for the morning drive tomorrow. With any of these, there could be some brief gusty wind. Notice 7 o'clock tomorrow morning along the Tennessee-Kentucky line. Then the atmosphere recharges, and we've got thunderstorms here and there tomorrow afternoon in different areas. Now, tomorrow night, things settle down. Much of Wednesday, there's not a whole lot going on, very isolated showers and storms, but it's Wednesday night. Here's 11:30 in the evening. Some stronger storms we'll be watching from back in Arkansas will move in Wednesday night. Here's around midnight or just after Thursday morning. So as we transition to the day on Thursday, these have a better chance of some strong gusty winds moving through Murfreesboro and Nashville, the Cumberland Plateau, 3:30 or 4 on Thursday morning. And then that system sweeps away and the weather improves as we get into Thursday afternoon. So several days to watch, again, improving conditions as we get through Thursday. Errands this afternoon, again, have that umbrella. Temperatures in the mid to upper 80s with that humidity. And here's your Sounds game forecast tonight. First pitch at 7:05 against the Salt Lake Bees at First Tennessee Park. We've got 81 degrees here in Nashville for that, and 76 at 10 p.m. Rain possible for both times, but not a great chance. Nashville tomorrow with more clouds around and even some rain in the morning, gets to 83. Notice Lebanon and Wilson County, high temperature tomorrow is 81. We break down the next several days. As we talked about, we've got a forewarned weather alert for the next 3 days. 88 today, 83 tomorrow, 89 Wednesday. The best rain chance on Wednesday comes in Wednesday night. And again, there could be some strong showers and storms with that. And then Thursday, we start to dry out in the afternoon, but in the morning, certainly some rain around, high 84. A much nicer day on Friday. After we get some rain, we get to 90. Rain chance very small, very low for the weekend as well. 30% rain chance on Sunday with a high temperature of 92. Stick around, we're back right after this.